Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is 10 years old. He's a twin, and we're working on arm strengthening. So, Nickolas, we're going to do wheelbarrow walking. So, according to how much support I give, makes wheelbarrow walking easier or harder. So, the first one I'm going to do is go ahead and put your hands down. And we don't have much room here. I'm going to do hip support. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back 1, 2, 3, 4 because we're going to be off camera. Now I'm going to try it with knee support. Off you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back 4. Now, of course, you don't have to do the forward and back in your place wherever you are. I'm going to go to ankle support. Off you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on back. At the clinic, there we go. When I don't have about a 4-foot space to work, I will do this and we'll go all the way down the hall and we'll time how long it takes to get down the hall and try to go faster, or I'll have another therapist get their kid and they will have a wheelbarrow walking race. So both kids are trying to win going down the hall. But it's a great and usually fun way. A lot of times one of my clients, come here for a second, what we'll do is we'll see how far they can go. So in my clinic, there's a big circle that we can go, and they are marked off in feet, and I can go, we've gone 5 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet, whatever, and they're trying to beat their own personal record. So that's another way to work on wheelbarrow walking. Hope this is a basic, simple idea that takes no equipment, that is easy for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.